Oh, hello there. Would you like to learn how to make a $6,000 a month income from your own home and live the life that you want to do? All from building a wildly profitable affiliate business of your own. And I'm hosting a free training workshop where you can find out exactly how to do this for yourself. So all you need to do to get there is to click the link that you see around this video. It'll either be below or up in the top corner here. So you can click on that link and you'll be taken straight to the training.
Creating a clear plan that people can follow, that's proven and can help them become successful and start making their first commissions online.
Hi, my name's John Crestani, and this is your invitation to join a webinar on how to create your own internet business from scratch that creates for you an automated passive online income.
Able to quit my job because of this mastermind beast right here.
And I made 5 commissions.
I just made my first online commission.
John, absolutely one of the best teachers there are.
Learn how you can create your own online income, then register for this webinar today.
I'm Ed Kirwan and I look forward to seeing you there. Bye now. Bye-bye.